Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on HP OMEN Transcend 14. There are two keyboard shortcuts which do the same thing, so you can either press on Windows, Shift and S at the same time to take that screenshot, or click on the print screen key. If your FN key is lit up, then you can just click on print screen alone, or if, like in my case, it's not lit up, then I need to click on FN combined with print screen. But I'm gonna close it for a moment. If you want to lit up the FN key, you need to click on FN and Shift. And now you can just click on print screen alone, which I personally prefer. And now, in the print screen tool, you can select either the screenshot or screen recording. I'm gonna select the screenshot, and now you can select rectangle, window, full screen or freeform. When I select rectangle, I can do just something like that. And now it's screenshotted. It shows me a notification that I don't need to click on because it's automatically copied to my clipboard, so I can paste it somewhere, or by clicking on Ctrl and V, like into a message or into some image editor like Paint or Photoshop. But I can also find it in File Explorer, Pictures, Screenshots, and it's here. What I can also do is click on Print Screen, select the full screen screenshot, and it takes it right away. I can also open a window of any app, then click on Print Screen and select the window. Then hover over a window I want to screenshot and click on it. Now it is screenshotted. By the way, you can, if you want, you can click on the notification because it lets you adjust a few things. Like, for example, you can draw on that. So let's select that, for example. You can also use a highlighter. By the way, you can change colors and sizes of these tools. You can also erase if you want, or add a shape. So it's all up to you. And after editing, you need to save or copy it, because edited one isn't automatically copied and saved. And there's also the freeform tool, which I don't find pretty useful, but maybe you will. You can just draw a shape of something you want to screenshot, and it'll be screenshotted in that exact shape. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.